Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lowercase data. So we'll start by clicking on B1. We'll double click in here, hit the equal sign, type lower, and then open parentheses, click on cell A1, close parentheses, and then make sure you have equals lower, open parentheses, A1, close parentheses, and then hit enter. All right, click here on cell B1, go here in the lower right hand corner until you see a black plus sign, double click. Now all your records are lowercase. All right, so remember in column A, all this data is dynamic. So for example, if we type the word bill here in all caps, it's gonna update in cell B to lowercase. Now, if you do not want this to happen, then let's go ahead and take out bill, and then we're gonna click on cell B, copy, and then we're gonna click here on A, and then we're going to right click and make sure you paste as values. And then after that, we can come here in cell B and delete. All right, our data is now lowercase. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and you have a great day. Bye.